Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Shirlene and I'm back with another video. So as you can tell by the title, we're going to be doing a haul, trying out some items from Missguided. You guys, I'm probably gonna sound a little stupid saying this, but I did not know that Missguided carried plus size items. So when I downloaded the app and then I was looking through, I'm like, oh, you guys do plus size too? Okay, so let me scroll through and see what I could find then. Let me scroll through to see what I like then. Okay then. So I ended up purchasing a few items and I wanted to share it with you guys. But before we get started, if this is your first time here and you want to see more of me on your timeline, you know, subscribe to your girl, click on the bell so you will be notified whenever I post video. I did do express shipping because ain't nobody got time to be waiting, and as express as it was, I ended up waiting. Why? So let's get started. The first item is this, again, my sizing US is size 14. That's what I wear. The first item I have, this is a white frill tiered smock dress and it was $14. This is really like a cotton material. I thought it was gonna be more silk. This is like for everyday wear, like nice chill vibes type of outfit. I could wear that if I want to go to the beach. I don't know if it was like too small for my area around here, so that's the only thing that I can say about it. I like the details that it had on the arms and along the dress as well, and it was not bad for $14. So the next item is a pink leopard print wrap maxi dress. You guys, it was $36. I think this is the most expensive item that I purchased. Y'all know we don't do expensive over here, okay? Only certain times. So the dress is beautiful, the dress is gorgeous, but when I put on the dress, it didn't fit. Like, my babies over here were not letting me be great. I couldn't be great with the dress on. The dress is beautiful, like gorgeous. I got it in a size 14. I'm definitely going to exchange it for a size up, only because of this area right here, but everything else is like beautiful. Like, it's nice and flowy. That dress, like, it gave me like all types of vibes. Like, I'm here for it, except it's not here for me with a size 14. So I definitely have to go and exchange it for a size up and rock the heck out of that dress. Okay. So the next item that I have, this is a rose waffle off the shoulder jumper dress. Now the size is from size 14 to 16, so they have like 10 to 12, 14 to 16, 18 to 20, so on and so forth. It was for $17. It's big. It's nice and comfortable though, so I'm not even complaining about that. Well, I can wear it off the shoulder. I can dress it up, I can dress it down, I can wear some boots, or you know, like some high boots, or just like regular like Uggs, or Uggs, because I don't have Uggs, I have like Uggs. So the next item that I have, this is a white Dalmatian print shirt smock dress, again in the size 14, and I got it for $23. You guys, you know I love a dress that gives me the illusion that I got a big old booty, okay? Because I don't have a big old booty, but it gave me the illusion that I have a big old booty. Yeah, and I like that. Only thing, I wish the dress had pockets. I don't know, something about dresses with pockets just does it for me, you know what I'm saying? So I really like the dress. I actually posted a picture today on Instagram, and I could have used that caption with this dress because it really goes with it. So it's really nice and comfortable, nice and chill vibes. You can wear it, I can dress it up, I can dress it down. Probably definitely going to dress it down. I'm not really into dressing up a lot these days. It's definitely nice and comfortable, and it's not too short, so that's a plus in my book. So the next item that I have, this is a crop sweater jogger shorts co-ord set. So I got the top and the bottom. I got it in a size 16 because I wanted to be comfortable. So this is something that I could wear while I'm at home, chilling, relaxing, being all cool, Netflixing and chilling by myself, of course. It was just like, it looked really comfortable. It's a cotton material. It's not too thick, but it's not see-through. So that's one thing I've noticed. Well, some of the items so far, that's good so far. Like, the materials are really nice, good, sturdy materials, so that's a plus in my book. Again, this is something I could wear at home when I'm chilling, relaxing, being all cool. Okay, so the next thing that I purchased the hoodie, and I also got the leggings with it. So the The hoodie, I thought it would be more of a thicker material, but it's not. It's very thin, but the actual hood of the hoodie, it's thick, like it's heavy. Like when I was putting it on, I thought I was gonna fall back because it was so heavy. Like I wish the whole sweater was heavy like that, but the hoodie was very, very heavy. I got it in a size 16 just so it can be like kind of baggy on me, kind of loose. I don't want a tight sweater on me. I want more of like a loose sweater on me. And I got the leggings in a size 14. The hoodie was 23 and the leggings were $14. So yeah, the leggings, they are three different materials that you're wearing at the same time. The hoodie's really thick, the sweater part is not, and then the leggings are like fitting on me. I mean, it looked cute, so I was like, I want a matching set so that way I can, you know, match. So the next item that I have, this is a rib belted midi dress, size 14, and it was $20. Was trying to put this dress on, I was like, something don't look too hot. You know, gray makes me look bigger for some reason. Like it really like shows everything. Like, can you not gray? Can you not? And I like gray, but gray don't like me. This was a really cute dress. I'm still on the fence about it, but I guess, I don't know. I'll see how I feel about it. It's cute, but like, I don't know how to feel about it yet. It's very comfortable, maybe because, like I said before, gray makes me look like extra fat. I do like the little slit in the middle that it has, and you could tie it on the side or in the front or however you choose to. So the next and final item that I have is this black rib popper front maternity midi dress. I got it in a size 14 and it was $19. When I saw this dress, I was like, okay, it's a maternity dress, but it's cute. And y'all know that there's not a haul that's gonna go by where I'm not gonna have a black outfit, because you know black is me is black, and you know that's my color, that's my closet color, black. It's like a true black, not a blue black or a midnight black, whatever you want to call it, black. It's a beautiful black, and like it just looks so like, it just looks really, really nice, and it fits me. I'm a food baby, so me and my food baby, we are gonna be rocking this maternity dress, okay? So that is it for my Missguided haul. I'm really excited with all the items that I got. Their material is good. I was quite surprised. For the pricing wasn't too bad. Well, the things that I picked out, but the other things was like a low. And you know, they're always having like a sale, a 70%, 80% sale. And I think I used a coupon code and I did express shipping, so yeah, so definitely check it out if you want to purchase more stuff, which you probably don't even need, but you can go ahead and try it out for yourself. Missguided, I'm giving you an 8 out of 10. You did that, you did that. I got some nice chill, some cute outfits that I can dress up, dress down, or just be me with it, you know what I'm saying? So that is pretty much it for this video, you guys. If you enjoy this video, please give it a big thumbs up. If you want to see more of me on your timeline, subscribe to your girl. Okay, what are you waiting for? And like I always say, put God first and you will never be last. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.